Buongiorno, welcome back at Toscana Mia. Today we prepare a dish with vegetables that is very common in our country. Every family has different ingredients, but the basic idea is the same. We are using pepper, pepperoni, capsicum, bell pepper, whatever color you want, absolutely no problem. Then eggplant, a nice eggplant, half an onion you need. Then you need 2 cloves of garlic, 5 more or less zucchini. Don't be strict. I mean, if you have 7 zucchini, it's the same. 7 courgette, it's fine. Or 4 of them, doesn't matter. 2 potatoes. I mean, the basic idea is to have this kind of vegetable. The quantity is also up to you. Then we use tomato, peeled tomato. Then fine salt, pepper, oregano, or in summertime you can use also some basil, and as usual extra virgin olive oil. Now we prepare the vegetables for our caponata. The onion we just need to slice it as it is, no more than that, and that's what's going to be at the beginning there. Okay, so this is our onion. Then the garlic, we have to peel it simply like this. Okay, we just peel it. Sometimes even we cook with the peel on. Can you imagine that? Because anyway it so maintains the good taste. Done. Then we prepare our zucchini. Consider that they have not to be thinly sliced. We have to get rid of the 2 sides here. And then we just chop in this way, because anyway they are going to cook for a longer time. Okay, I will do just now only 1 zucchini, otherwise it's boring for you. Then our eggplant. Oh, eggplant, we would have to say a lot about it. As you see, we use also small knives. Life is much easier if you do with a small knife. You don't need always to be concerned to have with you always the big knife. Then you cut in half like this, half again, and that's what we do with our eggplant, or aubergine as you call it. You see, they are big pieces. Then we do the same thing with the potato. Here we are, and we do pieces like this with the potato. Big ones. Then we have our pepperoni, bell pepper. We get rid of this part here. We slice here. In this way we can get rid of the white and the seeds that are the bad parts for the taste. You see, in this way, simply. Then we slice in half here, and then again our big pieces. Then we finish with all the other vegetables, and we can cook them. To cook our vegetable, as usual, we use olive oil. You see how nice it is. Okay, we are spoiled. We use extra virgin olive oil because we produce it, and Tuscany is very well known for extra virgin, but otherwise you can use also virgin olive oil. It's really what you can find. After the oil is getting some warmth, we add the onions that we sliced before and 2 garlic cloves. Everything here. Now we have to stir our vegetables, the first vegetables that we have inserted. They get some temperature here, they start cooking, releasing taste into the oil, softening, but anyway they will have a lot of time to soften together with the other vegetables. The first vegetables now that we have to add are the bell peppers, of course, because they take a little bit more time in cooking. So all of them in. Then we start adding also some salt and pepper, of course. So we add our salt, and some pepper. Now we add the other vegetables. If you have more time available, you can leave the peppers that we are cooking now for 5 minutes to cook completely by themselves and add the other vegetables later. Otherwise, really, you can have everything cooking at the same time. It will take 5 other minutes for all the other vegetables. Okay, and here we have, so you see our potatoes, zucchini, and the eggplant. Everything is going in now. All of it. Now we have to give them for sure 10 good minutes to cook as they are. Don't worry about the liquid because they are going to release liquid by themselves. Then you will add the tomato puree. Of course, now keep them low temperature, not to have anything sticking. After half an hour, your vegetables will be more or less as you see them now. If during the cooking they were not releasing water or liquid, I mean, it's much better if you add a glass of water to be sure they're not sticking to the pan. That depends very much how ripe they are. Now, at this point, we are going to pour into our tomato puree. So they get also a nicer color, as you see now. All of it. And then some oregano, or if you prefer, some basil. Depends on the season, probably too. Okay, this is our oregano. And then you let them cook other 10 minutes.